If your funds are stuck with this broker, don't lose hope. It's not too late. You can work with a cyber expert and trace your lost funds today. Click the link in the description to learn more. With an expert, you can get immediate assistance and, most importantly, ensure that you follow all the right steps. They can guide you and protect you from falling prey to a scam further. Withdrawal issues have been quite common with this broker. Various consumer reports and reviews reveal that consumers have been complaining about this problem for a while now. However, the platform doesn't seem responsive. You deposited money into a forex broker or cryptocurrency exchange. Your account shows a healthy balance. Maybe the platform even claims that your investment has doubled or tripled. But when you try to withdraw, nothing happens. The withdrawal stays pending. Customer support stops responding. Or suddenly you are told that you must pay a tax, verification charge, liquidity fee, insurance deposit, or account unlocking fee before your money can be released. At this point, you need to act carefully because a delayed withdrawal can be a technical or compliance issue, but it can also be the clearest warning that you are dealing with a fraudulent platform. The first thing you should do is stop sending more money. Scam platforms often create a series of fictional charges after a victim requests a withdrawal. They may ask for 10% in taxes, followed by a security deposit, an anti-money laundering fee, or a payment to upgrade the account. Victims often pay because they believe one final transfer will unlock everything. But the demands usually continue until the victim refuses or runs out of money. A legitimate broker may deduct valid fees from your account balance or request standard identity documents. It generally should not require you to send cryptocurrency to a private wallet just to release your own funds. Next, document everything. Take screenshots of your account balance, transaction history, withdrawal request, wallet addresses, support conversations, emails, usernames, phone numbers, and website pages. Save copies of deposit receipts and bank statements. Do this quickly. Fraudulent websites can disappear without warning, and scammers may delete conversations once they realize that a victim has become suspicious. For cryptocurrency payments, record the transaction hash, the blockchain used, the sending wallet, the receiving wallet, the amount transferred, and the date and time. A transaction hash is especially important because it provides a permanent record of the transfer on the blockchain. Do not assume that screenshots alone will be enough. Export statements and download documents whenever the platform allows it. If you need immediate assistance, connect with an expert today. Your next step is to identify the actual reason given for the withdrawal delay. Some regulated platforms temporarily hold withdrawals because of incomplete identity verification, a recently changed password, mismatched bank details, a chargeback investigation, or a mandatory security review. Check the platform's official withdrawal policy and contact support through the contact information listed on its verified website, not through a Telegram account, WhatsApp number, or link sent by an unknown account manager. Ask for a written explanation that includes the exact reason for the hold, the documents required, the expected processing period, and the relevant section of the company's withdrawal policy. Be cautious with identity documents. If you believe the website may be fraudulent, sending additional passports, identity cards, bank statements, or facial verification videos could expose you to identity theft. Before submitting anything else, verify whether the company is genuinely regulated. Scammers regularly display fake license numbers or copy the name of a legitimate financial firm. This is known as a clone firm scam. Do not rely on a regulator's logo shown on the broker's website. Visit the regulator's official register independently and compare the company's legal name, website address, email domain, telephone number, and license status. The name alone is not enough. A fraudulent website may use the name of a real regulated business while operating from a completely different domain. You should also search for official warnings, withdrawal complaints, domain registration details, and reports from other users. However, treat online reviews carefully. Both positive and negative reviews can be manipulated. If you funded the account through a bank card, contact your card issuer immediately. Explain that you may have been deceived by an investment platform and ask whether the transactions qualify for a chargeback or card dispute process. Do not describe the payment merely as an investment loss. Clearly explain any deception involved. For example, false claims about regulation, fabricated profits, blocked withdrawals, or undisclosed fees. If you pay through a bank transfer, contact your bank's fraud department and request an urgent recall or beneficiary bank notification. Recovery is not guaranteed, especially if the money has already been moved, but speed matters. For cryptocurrency transfers, contact the exchange from which you originally sent the funds. Provide the transaction hashes and suspected destination addresses. Blockchain transfers generally cannot be reversed, but a compliant exchange may be able to flag an address or freeze assets if the funds eventually enter an account under its control. You should then report the incident to the appropriate financial regulator, cybercrime authority, and law enforcement agency in your country. Include a clear timeline, the total amount lost, payment methods, wallet addresses, transaction references, website domains, company names, and copies of communications. Even when an individual report does not lead to immediate recovery, it can help authorities connect multiple victims to the same network. You should also secure your accounts. A stuck withdrawal does not always prove that a platform is fraudulent, but repeated fee demands, pressure to deposit more, fake tax claims, disappearing support, fabricated regulatory credentials, and withdrawal conditions that were never disclosed are serious warning signs. Your priorities should be simple: stop further payments, preserve evidence, verify the company independently, contact your bank or exchange, report the incident, and protect your identity. Most importantly, do not let the promise of recovering a large balance pressure you into losing even more.